stop me in my tracks. First you're here, then gone in a flash. Might be something, don't let it pass. I'm right here wondering where you're at. Now let's take a ride in the old Ford truck. Head out of town and maybe you'll come around. I know you know when the loving feels right. Maybe, just maybe, this is one of those nights. Come on girl, take a ride with me. You never know, never know, never know where it might lead. Oh. I want you to know what I'm made of. Then maybe, baby, we'll fall in love under the harvest moon tonight. That would be amazing, never so right. Let's take a ride in the old Ford truck. Head out of town and maybe you will come around. I know you know when the loving feels right. Maybe, just maybe, this is one of those nights. Come on girl, take a ride with me. You never know, never know, never know where it might lead. I know you know when the loving feels right. Maybe, just maybe, this is one of those nights. Come on girl, take a ride with me. You never know where it might lead. I know you know when the loving feels right. Maybe, just maybe, this is one of those nights. Come on girl, take a ride with me. You never know where it might lead. You never know where it might lead.
Well, a sunflower ain't no daisy, a melon ain't no rose. Why you gotta be so crazy, trying to be something else that grows? Stick to where you've been planted, be the best that you knows. Be the sunflower or the daisy, the melon or the rose. But don't be what you ain't, just be what you is. If you're not who you are, then you is not who you is. A songbird ain't no robin, getting sick and tired. My meter's expired from being parked in the fast lane. I've been living life, fist fighting with both hands tied, doing time, barely getting by from playing a losing game. Well, every time I'm up, something seems to knock me down. But you won't find me here, laying on the ground. Gonna keep on keeping on. When all is said and done, find the strength to carry on and just have a little fun. Gonna turn on my favorite song, raise a glass and sing along, wave goodbye to the setting sun. And I'm gone to keep on keeping on. Gonna stop and take some time to call some old friends of mine, take the Harleys out for a ride. We'll hit the road and get away, drink a beer with my old man, start up a little rock and roll band, get a tattoo because I can, start living for today. I've always lived my life trying to impress the man. Overworked and underpaid is something I can't stand. Gonna keep on keeping on. When all is said and done, find the strength to carry on and just have a little fun. Gonna turn on my favorite song, raise a glass and sing along, wave goodbye to the setting sun. And I'm gone to keep on keeping on. Come Monday morning, I'll be up at 6 a.m. We're counting down the 40 hours till I'm back at my weekend. Back out with my friends to keep on keeping on. When all is said and done, find the strength to carry on. Just have a little fun. Gonna turn on my favorite song, raise a glass and sing along, wave goodbye to the setting sun. Yeah, and I'm gone to keep on keeping on. Yeah, keep on keeping on. I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Gonna keep on keeping on.